Hello guys, I'm Pooja Sharma, the Business Development Manager at 1000 Words Productions, and today I'll be talking about digital marketing. Digital marketing is the new normal. It offers everything more than the conventional modes of marketing: more options, more information, and more solutions. When people buy something via digital marketing, they get to explore more options than they would in an offline shop. They can find out information about the company, compare the prices of similar products offered by different brands, and can find out ways to buy the same things online that they used to buy in shops near their houses. In this changing era of business, a brand can no longer just offer products. They have to give attractive offers such as free samples, free mini versions of the product for trial, birthday discounts, special deals for regular customers, something complimentary on purchasing things of a particular amount, etc. If a brand isn't offering any of these things, they are going to fail in this world of tough competition amongst companies. Digital marketing is bringing about a revolution as businessmen no longer have to travel to different places and meet business distributors to finalize a deal with them and begin the distribution of their products in the new place. Because of the pandemic, more and more people started ordering food, clothes, and banking online. Since more people are working from home, this also adds to more offline shopping as people are not traveling outside every day. With this changing world that is becoming so dependent on the internet, marketers have to give up the traditional marketing strategies and adopt digital marketing. It's also a blessing for small business owners, as now they only need to post an ad on Facebook or Google and can save tons of money on physical advertising. Up until now, the 3 golden A's of business in FMCG category were availability, access, and awareness. But in this changing world, where internet is such an important part of our lives, attention is going to become the most essential A. Brands need to know that if they are being successful in grabbing attention of their customers, half their work is already done. Since there is a plethora of options available for every type of product, a brand can only be successful in winning customers if it is able to connect with its customers personally and is able to understand their needs. Effective digital marketing strategies can help brands achieve all of this and emerge out as the winner in this era of neck-to-neck competition. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with another informative video soon. Until then, stay safe and keep watching.